So the weather wasn't the best this year for Easter 2023, but had a good crew that were keen to come out, and thought we've got to make it happen. The Easter Tas Spearo's cooking competition. Got out to Sleepy on Friday afternoon, and the water was brown on top. So I've never actually seen that out there, just that much rain out there. About 2 metres of brown, and once you got under you could actually see, which was quite nice. Not perfect viz, but good enough to have a bit of a poke around. Not sure what this guy was, but didn't want to hang around. Might have been a trevally, a zebra, couldn't get close. After a bit more look around, I found a nice little herring cale, so I thought, alright, that's a feed at least. So I grabbed myself the herring cale. Beautiful.
That'll be goat fish, yep.
Got a little bit excited when I saw these guys, thinking it might have been salmon, but on closer inspection, purple wrasse. And then a sweep. Oh yeah, took a pot shot, pretty bad. Missed that one. It wasn't really going for any abalone, but when you drop down like this and you're not seeing much, pretty hard to resist just grabbing that sucker off the rock. Was hoping to get out on some scallop beds on the Saturday. The weather was just a little bit rough, so stuck to some nice little sheltered coves within Coles Bay. Had a bit of poke around and saw some interesting stuff. And sometimes when you're just not seeing what you want to see, and a big fat blue throat comes in, you just gotta tap that wrasse. Yeah, if you're gonna collect urchins, probably a good idea to wear some gloves. Riley's a trained professional, so he knew what he was doing. At least that's what I like to believe. Meanwhile, on Justin's boat.
Blue throat and wrasse. Yeah.
46 centimetres of wrasse.
Leela?
Beautiful. Blue throat.
Okay. So anyway, this is our catch. So, we've got mussels.
Yeah, I'm going to zoom in on the mussels.
Yeah, maybe a bit.
Look at that.
Was the lips around the scallops, like not the meat, but
Not
around
the meat, yeah, that's the guts, and that's the lips. And the rib part is the gills. Yay! Okay. So the area you have a little bit of oil. Yes. I said, hang around here for the big photo.
Acres today. That's exciting.
I'm trying to steal your recipe.
Too late now.
The Taj Mahal in all its glory.
Too spicy for me.
We have 3 different people preparing their gourmet feasts in this building. And it's bloody hot.
It's bloody hot.
Alright, let's have a look at what everyone cooked up. Awesome to see everybody here for our Easter catch and cook.
Oh, you can put it, whatever.
We're going to go at 6. It's 20 past now. We're going to have some meals coming a bit later. So rather than doing it all at once, we're going to have a bit of a rolling spread. Meals are going to be continuing to come in, so that's pretty awesome. Meals that we have today. Who would like to present theirs first? How about you, Justin? Go for it.
I will begin.
Talk to me about your meal.
Alright, so we have a seafood marinara, which is a collection of scallops, blue-throated wrasse and crayfish, done in a cheesy Mornay sauce with some pasta.
That's in the blue pot.
In the blue pot.
Nice, that looks very good. Alright, so, oh, geez, I guess Sean's here, is he? Looks like Sean's here. What have you made, Sean?
I've got
very unusual for you.
Blue throat 3 ways. So we've got the blue throat nigiri, blue throat sushi, which is a chili mango mayo, and then we've got like a Thai-inspired fish cake jobby with like Vietnamese mint. And then probably not for everybody, but you've got the nigiri roe, not the uni roe, so urchin roe nigiri as well.
Ah, nice. Beautiful. All right, guys, just keep mental note of all these dishes.
Yeah.
All right.
Sounds amazing.
We'll keep going this way. Who's got the tomato-y?
So this was a very impromptu, last-minute decision and cook. So it's my first ever fish I've speared.
Oh, nice.
It's a blue throat and tomatoes from the garden, samphire from down there, sea parsley from down there. So it's all kind of foraged and
Homegrown?
Homegrown tomatoes.
Sweet.
So nothing's from the shops apart from Justin's flour and oil.
Nice one.
Well done.
All right, and I'll go here since uncharacteristically I've made a ceviche. It's got herring kale in it. Whoa!
When you're on a good thing.
It's also got blue throat, so herring kale and blue throat ceviche. Now I've kind of taken the Shrek Viche style, making it a bit sweeter, and I've thrown in some extra stuff in there. So I've got like bananas, mangoes, passion fruit, thank you Lotus, and yeah, nice and sweet. So I'm just going to move this for a sec, because this one is going to go with the corn chips. Kind of treat it like a bit like this. There we go.
So next.
All right, next we've got some sushi by the looks of it.
Is this one here?
That's some Liron of mine. That is Liron's speared herring kale with carrot and sushi rice, and there's some spring onion in there, and I have just forgotten the soy sauce, which I've now just noticed, and it's just wrapped up in some nori.
Right.
So it's herring kale, raw herring kale yao.
Best fish. Nice. All right, next along. Which one was next up? The pot?
Which pot?
The pastry pot?
Come on.
Oh, that's just veggies.
That's just veggies? Oh.
So you have beetroot, zucchini. We don't have enough. It's all meat. Zucchini from the garden, and yeah, and broccoli, and yeah.
No, excellent. And the next one?
So it's like a beef slow cooked in like a Mexican tomato salsa.
Nice one.
Yeah, sorry we didn't do something.
That's all right.
We've made that one before.
Appreciate it, mate. Awesome. All right, then next we've got Justin's already went through that, and the next. Oh, that looks really nice.
What is it? Silver bowl. That is my scallop and mussel linguine in creamy garlic caper sauce with some spring onion and samphire on it.
Nice. Oh, and right behind us, Thomas.
New addition.
You made it.
Yeah.
What have we got here, mate?
This dish is everything from everybody. So testing, it takes everybody's help to make a good trip like this one. So uni from Ruby, scallop from everybody else, lemon from Coast, yeah, and fish from Inox, and now we went floundering. That's the fish.
So this is fishy speared as well.
And the grapes.
Yeah, and grapes from you.
Awesome.
And then there's Ronan's dish.
Ronan.
Tell us about it, Ronan.
Ronan, come on in, come on in.
Righto. Cool. It's scallops poached in Chardonnay and then cream and saffron reduced sauce with rice.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Ah, cool. All right, well, thanks everybody for the awesome food that you guys have made. Everyone come try a little bit of everything. Keep a note of what you're trying and how you feel about it, because end of the day, this is a bit of a competition. We're all here for a bit of fun and to enjoy some beautiful food. But keep note of what your favourite one is, and we'll ask you that later. And we'll see who wins the Easter competition. All right, let's dig in, guys. Thanks very much. It's a bit cold this weekend. I wonder why. There we go. First day for the year. Nice and chill in beautiful Tasmania. So the winner of the Easter Tas Spearo's cooking comp was Sean with his awesome sushi platter. Looked spectacular, tasted amazing, really good tucker there, made straight from the back of his troopy. So well done, Sean. Thank you to Kyo from Freedive Tasmania for supplying the first prize for this session, which was a Depth Wish, that's Depth Wish weight belt and snorkel. So that is a new brand that will have products out shortly, so look out for that one, Depth Wish. We also had the most impressive catch. Now, thank you for Kieran. He sponsored that event. He got a couple of dry bags, 2 dry bags, which was super handy because we had 2 winners. Split between Corinne and Lennox. So Corinne got her very first fish on a spear, which was a blue throat. She cooked it up for the competition, went all in. And Lennox also got his very first fish that he speared, which was a flounder. Now that flounder made its way into Thomas's dish, if you watched the video back there. So well done, guys, excellent work. And thank you to everyone that come down this weekend. Despite the average weather, or better than the forecast at least, we had a really good turnout, had a great time. It was good to see everybody down there, and yeah, couldn't make it without you guys, so it's always good to keep these events running. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to do the old like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and hopefully I see you down at maybe the next Tas Spearo event. Maybe you can win the competition, who knows. See you there.